Hi, I'm Caitlin. I'm a registered dietitian here at Whitson's Culinary Group. It's my job to make sure you're getting the nutrients you need to thrive. This holiday season, remember to keep balance in your routine. Today we'll discuss a few simple ingredient swaps that can help increase the nutrient content of your desserts while satisfying your sweet tooth. Let's dive right in. We're kicking things off with a holiday classic, hot chocolate. This isn't your average hot chocolate. It's made with cocoa powder, which is rich in antioxidants and magnesium, which is great for boosting your mood and regulating your blood pressure. It's also naturally sweetened with honey, or you can naturally sweeten with maple syrup if you prefer. I added a dash of cinnamon to boost the anti-inflammatory benefits and a pinch of salt to enhance flavor. Perfect holiday treat to cozy up with this holiday season. I like to pair my hot chocolate with fun snacks like no-bake protein buckeyes. These dark chocolate covered treats are packed with healthy fats, protein, and minimal sugar. The two main components of these bites are sunflower seed butter and protein powder. Sunflower seed butter is rich in vitamin E, magnesium, and it's a great nut-free alternative for anyone with nut allergies. The vanilla protein powder helps boost the protein content of these bites, which is perfect for muscle maintenance and recovery. The healthy fat and protein-rich components make this a perfect on-the-go snack to satisfy hunger until your next meal. Up next, buckwheat double chocolate cookies. Let's talk about buckwheat flour. It's not actually wheat, it's a seed, and it's packed with protein, fiber, and essential amino acids. Plus, it's gluten-free, making these cookies a great option for those with dietary restrictions. For the dark chocolate chunks, choose chocolate with at least 70% cocoa for a good source of antioxidants and heart-healthy compounds. Now, let's switch gears to our second cookie, the whole wheat sugar cookie. These are made with whole wheat flour, a fantastic source of fiber, vitamins, and minerals, which make these cookies a much more nutrient-dense option to the usual sugar cookie. Unlike refined white flour, whole wheat flour keeps the bran and germ, meaning you get a higher fiber content. That's great for digestion and keeping you fuller for longer. Finally, we're finishing with a warm and cozy apple crisp, a healthier take on a family favorite. I used ingredients such as oats, whole wheat flour, and maple syrup to make this dessert both delicious and more nutritious. I love using Granny Smith apples for this dessert. They add a nice tartness that balances the sweetness of the topping. Each serving is loaded with fiber, healthy fats, and antioxidants, which not only make this a healthier treat, but also help with digestion, heart health, and overall well-being. There you have it, all delicious and nutritious holiday desserts you can feel good about. Happy holidays, and see you next time at the Nutrition Nook.
Like what you've learned? Visit us at whitsons.com. Ask us how our team of registered dietitians can help improve your meal service. Whitson's Culinary Group, serving fresh, wholesome food packed with nutrition and flavor.